Hello everyone. As we have completed exercise 3.6, let us move on to the next topic, that is lowest common multiple, LCM. This is class 6 mathematics playing with numbers. Today we are dealing with LCM. The lowest common multiple, LCM, of two or more given numbers is the lowest of their common multiples. I do repeat once. The lowest common multiple, LCM, of two or more given numbers is the lowest of their common multiples. That means when you are finding LCM of a number, when you consider two or more than numbers given, when you write their common multiples, the lowest of those is called as an LCM. Let me illustrate this with an example. Find LCM of 20, 25 and 30. Now write 20, 25 and 30 together. First, choose any multiple which divides all the three, or else if not possible you can take any number which divides one or two numbers. Here, because these numbers are ending with 0 or 5, we can take 5. 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30. And here you should choose prime numbers always. Now let me take 2, or else you can continue with 5. 4 doesn't, you cannot divide 4 with 5, keep as it is. 5 1s are 5, 6 as it is. Now choose 2, 2 2s are, this one as it is, 2 3s are. Once again 2, 1s are 3s. 3 1s are 1s are 1s are. At the end, until what we should divide? Until we get 1 in all the places below the 3 numbers. Now these are the factors, or you can say these are the numbers which if you multiply you will get these numbers. That is, if you multiply these numbers you will get the LCM. Therefore, LCM of 20, 25 and 30 is equal to, multiply these numbers, 5 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 3. All the prime factors. 5 5s are 25 into 2 2s are 4 into 3. Now 25 into 4 is 100 into 3, which is 300. Therefore, LCM is 300. So, the least common multiple of these three numbers is 300. Now, let me move on to the exercise 3.7. First question. Renu purchases 2 bags of fertilizer of weight 75 kg and 69 kg. Find the maximum weight which can measure the weight of the fertilizer exact number of times. As per the question, it is given maximum weight. That means you should go for HCF. Always keep in mind, if maximum things are asked, maximum length, maximum weight, those terms are meant to be HCF. If minimum is asked, those are meant to be LCM. Solution. As you can see, this is a statement problem. First you write the given number of bags, or you can write the quantity of bags, quantities of bags Renu purchased. Is equal to 75 kg, 69 kg and 69 kg. Now, the maximum weight exact which can measure the weight of the fertilizer exact number of times. Maximum weight is equal to, let me find the HCF. For HCF, you should find out numbers separately. First, let me deal with 75. 5 1s are 5, 2 remains, 5 5s are, that is 5 15s are 75. 5 3s are 3 1s. Now 69. Go with 3, 3 2s are, 3 3s are 23. No number can divide 23, 1s are 23. Now write the common factors. First you write factors, then go for common factors. Factors of 75 is equal to 5 into 5 into 3. Factors of 69 is equal to 23 into So common is 3. Common factor is equal to 3. Therefore, HCF is equal to 3. So, the maximum weight which can measure the weight of the fertilizer exact number of times, that is, therefore, maximum weight of fertilizer that can measure exact number of times is equal to 3 kg. I do repeat the solution once. Quantity of bags which are given here, Renu purchased those 2 bags which are 75 kg and 69 kg. Maximum weight. Here what is given is 2 bags are given. In 2 bags, the first bag contains 75 kg and the next bag contains 69 kg. You take any measurement, that is any box or any vessel through which you can divide these 75 and 69 equally. That means any measure you take and fill the 2 bags equally, and those exact number of times should be one measurement you should get which should divide or which should be used to divide these 2 numbers exactly, that is maximum weight. For example, if you choose a large quantity of bag, for example, you are taking 1000 liters, 1000 kgs of rice, then you are going to pour that rice in a box. In what way you are going to pour rice? You are taking a box separately and you are filling the rice and pouring it into another box or vessel. Then if you consider 10 kgs or 5 kgs box separately, and if you pour the rice from bag to the vessel, that should be used for more than that. For example, if you consider 1000 and 2000 bags, both the bags should use same vessel. Here also same thing, 75 kg and 69 kg are the 2 bags which are going to use single quantity of box. Here we are considering box because in generally, that is in real life application, we use boxes to fill the quantities. So what we are doing here we are considering these 2 numbers 75 and 69, and we are taking out the HCF. 5 15s are 75, 5 3s are 15, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So 23 can't be divided by any number, so 23 1s are 23. Now write the factors. 75 is equal to 5 into 5 into 3. Factors of 69 is equal to 23 into 3. Common factor is 3. So common factor is only 1, no need to multiply. HCF is 1. Therefore, the maximum weight of the fertilizer that can measure exact number of times is 3 kg. That means any container which has the capacity of 3 kg can measure 75 kg and 69 kg simultaneously, or you can say it divides both the numbers completely. Now let me move on to the second problem. 3 boys step off together from same spot. Their steps measure 63 cm, 70 cm and 77 cm respectively. What is the minimum distance each should cover so that all can cover the distance in complete steps? Here as it is given minimum, we should go for LCM. Now let me solve here. Solution is measure of steps. As you can see, 3 boys are here who are walking and their steps measurement is 63 cm, 70 cm and 77 cm. What is the minimum distance each should cover so that all can cover the distance in complete steps? That means after finishing some distance, the step should be completed, and that minimum distance we should find out. Let us find out the LCM of, or you can say minimum distance that we don't know. We should find out here. Minimum distance is equal to question mark because we don't know. Now let me consider the number 63, 70 and 77 right together here, and you can divide this using prime numbers. As you can see here, these are odd numbers and 70 is even number, even though you can take 7. 7 9s are 63, 7 10s are 70, 7 11s are 77. Now go for the number which can divide all the 3 or any 2 or any 1. Let me go for 3. 3 3s are 10 as it is 11. 3 1s are. If you choose one number, then make it 1 first, then move on to the next number. 3 10 as it is 11. Let me go for 2 1s are 5s are 11. 5 1s are 11. 11 1s are 1s are. Now all the 3 numbers came down to 1. That means these are the prime factors. Now let me multiply this to find out the LCM. LCM is equal to LCM of 63, 70 and 77 is equal to 7 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 5 into 11. Let me write once again here. LCM of 63, 70 and 77 is equal to 7 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 5 into 11. As you can see here, there are 6 factors. 2, 4 and 6. Now write 7 into 3 3s are 9 into 2 5s are 10 into 11. You can choose the way which you feel easier. 7 10s are 70 into 9 11s are 99. Now 0, or you can say 99 into 7. 0 as it is, 7 9s are 63. 6 here carry, 7 9 is 63 plus 6, 69. So 6930 centimeter is the minimum distance. Therefore, minimum distance covered in complete steps. Is equal to 6930 centimeter. I do repeat this once again. You see, as you can see here, measure of the steps are 63, 70 and 77. Minimum distance is, we don't know, because here they have given what is the minimum distance each should cover, so that all can cover the distance in complete steps. Consider the 3 numbers and take out the LCM. First find the factors. 7 9s are, 7 10s are, 7 11s are, 3 3s are, 10 as it is, 11 as it is, 3 1s are, 10 and 11 as it is, 2 1s are, because we need here 2 5s are 10, 11 as it is, 5 1 1s are 11, 11 1s are 1s are 1. When you get all the 3 ones, you can multiply these factors for LCM. LCM of 63, 70 and 77 is multiply all the prime factors. 7 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 5 into 11. 7, 3 into 3 is 9, 2 into 5 is 10. Then you can see 7, which is easier, you can multiply those. 9 into 11 is 99, 9 into 11 is 99, 7 into 10 is 70, 99 into 70 is 6930 centimeter. Therefore, minimum distance covered in complete steps is 6930 centimeters. Now let me move on to the third problem. The length, breadth and height of a room are 825 centimeter, 675 centimeter and 450 centimeter respectively. Find the longest tape which can measure the 3 dimensions of the room exactly. That means the longest tape is given here. We should consider the tape as the measurement, and the longest is nothing but HCF of the given numbers. Consider the given numbers. Length is 825 centimeter, breadth is 675 centimeter and height is 450 centimeter. So HCF you should find out. HCF of, or you can say the length of tape is equal to what? Let us find out the HCF. 825, 675 and 450 are the 3 measurements which are given. As you can see, the number ends with 5. Let us consider 5. Here why we are dividing separately? Because this is an HCF. 5 ones are 5, 3 remains 32. 5 6 are 30, 2 remains 25, 5 5s are 25. 5 3s are 15, 1 remains 5 3s are 15. Now as you can see here we got 33. Go for any other number. 3 11s are 11, 1s. Now let us move on to 675. Here also we can take 5. 5 ones are 5, 1 remains, this is 17 now. 5 3s are 15, 2 remains, here this becomes 25, that is 5 5s are 25. Now 5 2s are 10, 3 remains, this becomes 35, 5 7s are 35. Now go for any other number. 3 9s are 3 3s are 3 1s. Now again 450. Here also same thing, ends with 0. You can choose 2 also because it is an even number. Let me choose 5. 5 9s are 45, 0 as it is. 5 9s are 450. Now again we can go for 3 30s are 3 10s are 2 5s are 5 1s. Now let me write the factors. Factors of 825 is equal to 5 into 5 into 3 into 11. Factors of 675 is equal to 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now factors of 450 is equal to 5 into 1 more 5. You can write in any order. Take this 5 into 3 into 3 into 2. Why I have done 5? Because we need to find the common factor. So you can change its order of the factor and write here. Now let me choose the common factor in all the 3 numbers. Common factors is equal to this 5, 3 and this 3. Because sorry, only this 3, not this 3. This 3 is not common. So take only this. So now choose the common factor. 5 into 5 into 3. Because this is the HCF, what we are doing? HCF is equal to multiply the common factors. 5 into 5 into 3. That is 5 5s are 20. 5 into 3 75. HCF is 75. Therefore, here as you can see the question is find the longest tape which can measure the 3 dimensions of the room exactly. Measurement of tape is measurement of longest time. Longest tape is equal to 75 centimeters. Let me repeat this once. As you can see, the length, breadth and height of the room are 825, 675 and 450 centimeters respectively. Find the longest tape which can measure the 3 dimensions of the room exactly. So let me write all the 3 length, breadth and height as per the given data. HCF or length of the tape is. Now write the numbers separately and find out the factors. 825, 5 165s are, 5 33s are, 3 11s are, 11 1s are, 5 135s are, 5 27s are, 3 9s are, 3 3s and 3 1s are, 5 90s are, 3 30s are, 3 10s are, 2 5s are and 5 1s. As you can see, factors of 825 are 5 into 5 into 3 into 11. Factors of 675 are 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 3. Factors of 450 are, I am changing order here, 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 2. You can write factors in any order. Any of the factor you can write in first place. Common factors are 5, 5 and 3 in all the 3 numbers, given numbers. So HCF is 5 into 5 into 3. Therefore HCF is 25 into 3 is 75. Therefore measurement of longest tape is equal to 75 centimeter. So now let me stop here with this problem, and in our next video we will move on to the next one.